the part 2. So I cutting the front of the paper, the bond paper. That's what I'm meaning of that. Oh my gosh, it's raining now because I'm silk pajama. I swear it's gonna be a fit of this cliche. Oh. Are you serious? Okay, I'm done. I'm not done actually. Actually, my mom is here and my dad is here. Ouchie! It's stuck! Oh my god. I think it's not fit of that. No. I need to use the lines. But I am so hard to make a squishy. Because this is my first time. I don't know because this is so my first first time to make a squishy. I cut this. Are you serious? This a little bit paper covered this big sponge. I am not so serious of that. It's fit! Yay! Oh my god. There's a problem. There's fit. So I'm gonna catch it. Oh my gosh, we need to fit the more paper. Because look at that, we have a problem. So wait a minute. So guys, we're gonna shape a little bit of the paper. We don't need the ruler. I know what the size of that. A little bit like that. Like that. I am not listening